Attention, intergalactic realtors. Eli here, your Jedi guide through the galaxy of PPAR and RSC updates. Strap in as we navigate through the latest news. Sorry, let me shut this off. Ever explored the depths of facts.realtor? This is the interweb address NAR uses to get your most up-to-date information on the proposed settlement. There's a lot of information on there, so check it out and check it frequently because NAR is constantly updating it. One moment, please. Exciting tidings from our community relations sector.
Greetings, Jedi Eli. A message from a task force has arisen. Casino night returns from the far reaches of space. Though it's months away, sponsorship opportunities await. If you would like to be a sponsor, contact Anne-Marie or Briar Gans via the galactic channels provided below. There has also been a disturbance in the force of water. Did you know that water can affect the potential sale of a house? Prepare for enlightenment. Instructor Doug Barber presents the class Water Law for Real Estate Brokers on April 30th from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. He will teach an overview of sources of water, quality, rights, and much, much more. Secure your spot through your galactic member portal.
Thank you, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Message received.
Right back at you.
Sorry about that. Have you summoned forth your open house event yet? As the stars align, may the 4th be with you, and the revenge of the 5th. The Pikes Peak Open House Weekend approaches this weekend. Do not evade this stellar event. Prospective home seekers shall embark on a quest to discover their dream abodes. That means homes for those who don't know. And if the force is with you, there's a chance to win up to $500 and a galactic sweepstakes. Who could resist such a tempting offer? But wait, there's more. Visit the interwebs of ppar.com and download the Golden Key entry form. Fill it out and hand it to the galactic realtor at the chosen open house. And so, dear realtors, our transmission draws to a close. May the force guide your transactions until our next rendezvous. Until then, peace.